Hello, this is Blue Diamond Coasters and my friend Cam here.
Hello.
Got Sean behind me and a whole group of ready riders. We're about to ride the Flash Vertical Velocity, opening this year at Six Flags Great Adventure. So, in a little bit, we'll be riding with the fastest man alive. All right, floor's dropping, gates open. Here we go.
Oh, here we go.
Great kick to start. Now up the spike.
Oh, up the spike.
Woo! Great air. And here we go.
Oh my God. Oh.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
Whoa. Oh my God.
Oh, that air time is insane. Here we go, through the roll.
Whoa.
And backwards. Woo!
Oh.
Here we go. All right, I'm looking forward to this. Looking forward. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! The final.
Whoa.
And we're back. Whoa! That is really, really fun. Yeah, that's a great ride. Definitely come out, Great Adventure, ride the Flash, Vertical Velocity. Whoa, that was fun.